Build your legacy with the 7000D Airflow, a full tower case for your most ambitious PC builds, offering easy cable management, a spacious interior, and massive cooling potential with room for up to 3 simultaneous 360mm radiators. A high airflow optimized steel front panel delivers massive airflow to your system for maximum cooling. The CORSAIR RapidRoute cable management system makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single hidden channel, with an easy access hinged door and a roomy 30mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes 3 CORSAIR 140mm AirGuide fans and PWM fan repeater, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. A massive interior accommodates up to 12 by 120mm or 7 by 140mm cooling fans, and makes it possible to install multiple radiators including 3x simultaneous 360mm or 2x simultaneous 420mm for extreme cooling. Customizable side fan mounts allow you to side mount up to 4 by 120mm fans or up to a 420mm radiator, opening up a new world of cooling options. Put the spotlight on your graphics card with a 3-slot vertical GPU mount on the PSU shroud, big enough for today's most powerful graphics cards. A fully equipped modern front I/O panel includes a USB 3.1 Type-C port, 4x USB 3.0 ports, and a combination audio microphone jack. Holds all the storage you'll need for years, thanks to 6x combo 2.5 inches, 3.5 inches drive trays and 4 by 2.5 inches SSD mounts. Show off your high-profile components and RGB lighting behind a beautiful tool-free tempered glass side panel. Top reviews from the United States. This thing is huge, should be referred to as a super tower. I haven't started the build yet, I just wanted to let people know this is bigger than your normal full tower. I already have a CORSAIR 7000D case I have been using for 2 to 3 years now and really like it, so I ordered another one for a new build. My old full tower looks like a mid-tower next to this new one. At almost 2 feet tall it is gargantuan. It weighs 43 pounds empty, which doesn't bother me, just a testament to the very solid construction. After I get into the build I'll return and post a picture of the size difference between the two 7000D cases. Make sure it is going to fit under, in or on whatever you have plans for before you order.